Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I see I have some new subscribers, so to all my new subscribers, thanks for subscribing. If this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also turn on your notifications so you do get notified every time I do upload a video. All my old subbies, thank you guys for sticking with me. I know I've been missing for a while, took a break from YouTube so I can get myself together, and also as you guys see I changed up my setup. So yeah, this video is not going to be a talk through. As you guys know from the title, I'm going to be testing out the Morphe 39L palette. I've been sitting on this palette for a while now and I just wanted to try it out. So yeah, I did use probably like 4 or 5 shadows from here to create this look that I have on today. So if you guys want to see this video and see what shadows I do use in this tutorial, then stick around and continue watching. Also, do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down.